Hello. How you doing? I hope that you're doing fine. Today we're gonna have a really quick Haitian Creole class with you guys. Okay, so what you see on my plate here in Haitian Creole, we call it banan. Okay, so it's blatant in English. Okay, when it is green, okay, it's banan, right? So this is banan, okay, and this plantain, when you fried it, we call it banan plezi. All right, and this is rice, and this is the red sauce, okay, with sèlman in it. And this is a typical juice that people drink in Haiti because it's not sugar free, but it has less sugar. Okay, it's Jumex, but in Haitian Creole we would typically say Jimex. Why? Because the U sound in Haitian Creole does not exist. It's basically a sound that exists in French and in German. I think in China, in Mandarin Chinese as well. Okay, but in Haitian Creole, this sound does not exist. A typical Haitian wouldn't say Jumex unless the person is trying to be, French-like. Because sometimes it might sound more educated, stuff like that. Okay, and usually people here they call these people Zizi. Okay, donc sanap gadla. This is what you're looking at is basically what I was eating today, and I want to just make a quick Haitian Creole class to you guys so that you can learn Haitian Creole. We're gonna do that on a daily basis. Whenever I'm working, I'm doing something, and I'm gonna take a really quick Haitian Creole class, and I'm gonna proceed with some other things that I have on my desk. This is a typical table that I have here. I work as a remote interpreter and as a remote teacher as well. I teach languages online. In case that you wanna have a private Haitian Creole class, you can reach out to me. Okay, my Instagram, also my TikTok, and then you can book a Haitian Creole class. And for those that are interested in learning English, the same thing. Okay, this is what I use in order to teach, in order to work as an interpreter and translator. This is my headset. In Haitian Creole, we call that casque. And the color, which is black, we say noir. Like you say in French, noir, and negro, okay, preto in Portuguese, noir in French. In Haitian Creole, you say noir. You see how easy it is? Noir, and you can see the word. I put the word, in these words. I'm gonna put them in the description box, and you can also pronounce with me. Let's go. Noir. Okay. Kas mwen gen couleur noir. My headset is black. Laptop mwen noir. My laptop is black. L'autre laptop la couleur noir tout. The other laptop is also black. L'autre laptop la noir tout. The other laptop is also black. L'autre laptop la li noir tout. The other laptop is also black. L'autre laptop la li noir tout. And then you can see this item here is a phone. How do you say that? A phone or telephone? Téléphone. Mwen genyen yon, deux, and the one that I am using right now, trois. And I have 4 telephones. Mwen genyen 4 téléphones. Mwen 4 téléphones. I don't say quatre. I say quatre. This is Haitian Creole. If I said quatre, j'ai 4 téléphones, this is French, right? Because Haitian Creole, if you speak French or you understand French, there are a lot of words that you would normally understand in Haitian Creole. they are pronounced in a Haitian way. That does not mean Haitian Creole is not a language or is a dialect from French. It is not a dialect. It is a complete language, okay, with its own phonology, grammar, syntax, semantics, okay. It has everything of its own. All right, guys. So I'm gonna leave you here, okay. So see you next time with the next video, learning Haitian Creole. Have a nice one. Bye bye.